Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one important topic. Yes friends, you must have seen my thumbnail and you must have understood the issue, right? I mean, if in case you are facing that issue, we will 100% resolve that issue. How? We are just going to tell you how we can resolve that issue easily. So that issue is basically a setting, friends, which has caused your YouTube screen to display all the play buttons or the navigation button on videos, right? So how you can remove that? It's very quick and very easy. But only one thing that I request you, just watch this video completely so that it helps my channel to grow, as well as it will help you to understand what I'm talking about. Also friends, if in case you are new to my channel, just hit a subscribe button, it will help me. Okay, so let's start this video. So let me first show you the issue that I'm talking about. Let's suppose it's my own channel, so no one is going to copyright me. So let's suppose I'm playing this video, and you can see one ad. Just let it go first, and then we'll continue. Yeah, now you can see there are some navigation buttons on that YouTube screen, right? So now whenever I need to do something, I need to just close it, right? So there is a cross button, I need to press that cross button to do something. And if in case, let's suppose I just click the screen, it will come again and it will not go away just by tapping. So that's the issue that I'm talking about. Similarly, this issue comes on a full screen as well, and again, so it will not go without hitting this cross button. So what we need to do to remove this? So basically friends, uh, in in my opinion, I mean, this issue was arise because of you only. Someone might have gone to settings, or some pop-up might have come to you to enable a accessibility setting which has caused this issue. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings. If in case you don't know about how to go to setting, you need to click these three dots on the corner, and you will see a settings option. Just hit settings, and then you will see a second last option for accessibility. Just click accessibility, and now here you go. So here we have accessibility player options that is currently enabled, which is stating display accessibility controls in the player. So right friends, so this is the actual issue which is causing us to display navigation buttons or play buttons which we need to close. So now just hit this button to hide or disable, and this will resolve your issue. Let me just show you if it's getting resolved or not. So now, as you can see, now I'm getting the buttons, but now it's going away by its own. And even if in case I'm tapping, and it will go away within few seconds. If in case you want to go, manually make it hide, you can just tap it again and it will go away. So this is the way you can easily remove these irritating play buttons. I would say it's irritating, actually it's annoying, that's causing an issue. So hope you might have liked this video. So